Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this new video. This one is a haul. It's a haul of loads of hair products. I have just 2 days ago got back from Thailand. I was away for 10 days, flew into Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and then sort of jumped across to Thailand and did some island hopping with two of my mates. And I saw so many Gatsby hair products. You guys always go on about them. So I asked you on Instagram, which one should I pick up? And you told me. Have a look at the products, see what I've got, and also do a first impressions of one of them. Because again, I've asked you guys on Instagram stories which one you want to see. So I have picked up this super hard set and keep spray. Gatsby Wildly Sharp Ultimate Holding Power Styling Clay. That is a hard clay there. Same old Gatsby smell, if you guys know that. It's almost like a really sugary apple. This says contains 20% clay ingredients, creates very sharp twists, blah, 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 blah. It's got mineral oil, petrolatum, so it is oil based. It's also got bentonite in it. This is made in China. God, it's really hot in here. Gatsby Styling Clay. Gatsby Sharp Lock Ultimate Holding Power Styling Wax. Mega Hold Type. Wow. That looks weird. Quite a creamy feeling wax. That's really creamy actually. Very heavy on the chemicals. It's got parabens in it too. Sorry, this jumper's gonna have to come off. I'm sweating. Give me 2 seconds. Right, done. Sorry about that. Whew. As I was saying, this I think is a new one. Again guys, you know, correct me if I'm wrong. Gatsby Styling Pomade Supreme Hold Pompadour. This is water-based. This really does look like a pomade. Quite sticky. I'm intrigued to try this one, guys. I think this one could actually be quite good. It's still got a slight creaminess to it. Do you remember Star Wax? Do you remember when I did reviews on Star Wax? It feels and looks a bit like this. I've got to say, I'm so intrigued by some of these products. This one, Gatsby Outclass Extra Strong Superb Finish Revolutionary Clay. Mineral oil, microcrystalline wax, talc, all that good stuff that you'd want in a clay. No actual clay in here. Wow, okay, that is not a clay. This is a wax, 100%. This one isn't Gatsby. This is called by Lolaine, and someone actually messaged me to say this is big in Thailand. I did pick this one up in Thailand. Head up, strong wax, thick and full look. Wow, that is creamy. Almost fell out. Same sort of scent as the Gatsby. That, I think, will probably be quite fibrous. Yeah, fiber. So it's like a fiber wax. This will dry hard like a gel, but we might get crispy, flaky hair from this. We'll see. This one, again, these are the two hair products that aren't Gatsby. Uberman. This is 3D matte clay. Is it a clay? Let's see. Okay, this looks like a clay. Wax, beeswax, but no clay that I can see. Okay, this though. Still quite creamy though, and it's that wax that does that. When you've got a clay that's got wax in it, you are going to find it's going to be a lot creamier. I've got the moving rubber ones, which I think are the most popular. Are they? Have I tried this? Yes, I think I have. I've certainly tried the orange one. Okay, very much, yeah, really creamy. A lot of these I think would suit guys with shorter hair or guys that want that super spiky hair because it's going to dry in, which means you can create the look, but it's not going to be as malleable. Another moving rubber, this is the grey one, which I think might be the clay. Do we have no clay that I can see? This looks a bit like a clay. It looks like a clay, but it feels exactly the same as the pink one. Okay, this one, the purple one. Ooh, looks like a, ooh. Guys, I might have to go through all of these and work out who they'd each suit. Would that be something you'd like to see? The red one, I have used this. We had this in a brand battle last year, didn't we? Again, smells the same. I remember this, guys, and you probably do too, and I just haven't, you know, had a real nightmare with this one. And my final one is the grey one. This actually came with the spray. Water-based again, microcrystalline wax, beeswax, boom, pernuba. This one might actually be okay. Got that same sort of waxy feel. Yeah, that could be okay. Do you know what? I'm gonna go and check. I'm gonna check with you guys and see what you guys have asked for. Ooh. Deepak says the purple Gatsby one, I have it and it's shit. I want your impressions, Robin. Harshit is saying about a whole new range, like. Someone saying pink Gatsby, Uberman, the brown one, Gatsby matte and hard, the grey one with the guy on it, the grey one again, styling clay, tried clay and the Gatsby wax, grey matte and hard hair wax, grey moving rubber, the grunge matte, I've tried both, that's from Mike. Grey wax, Uberman. Do you know what, guys, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna try, because they came together, I'm gonna try this one followed by this one. My hair is greasy, it needs washed. Right, okay, hair's been washed, towel dried, still slightly damp. I am gonna start, before I do anything, just using a pre-styler. Medium heat, fast speed. Okay, I'm gonna take my usual amount, about that, into the hands, very creamy, emulsifies easy. Okay, brushing at the surface. I like the feel of this. This feels really responsive in my hair. A slight tug with a slight hair coming out. It's fine, don't need it anyway. Quite like that, sort of just pushed back off my face. I'm just gonna put in the part there. This is so responsive. This is sort of amazing me, actually. It's so easy to use. It's a cream wax, really. I wouldn't say it's that sort of traditional wax that you might think of, which is really hard, oily sort of feeling. This feels a lot creamier. Sort of drying just ever so slightly into my hair. That is a hard line part there. How does this look? I like that. Do you know what, guys? I'm gonna do an Instagram story. I've just taken all your comments on Gatsby. I'm actually filming a video right now. There, so this will be in it. I've used one of the products, and you're gonna see which one on Sunday. Not long to go. I do want to know, guys, what sort of things you want to see with the Gatsby products. It's really up to you. I don't hate that. I love when I say I don't hate that, meaning I kind of like it. Loads of texture and volume in the front, drying just ever so slightly, but taking to the hair. And then, guys, what I'm gonna do is use some of this. Holy hell. Whoa, that is full of stuff that I probably don't want to be putting near a flame. Do you know what? I actually don't hate this. That is that. First impressions of this one, whose name I can't pronounce. What do you think? Do you like it? Guys, thank you very much for watching. Something a bit different for me. I'm really intrigued by Gatsby. They are a huge brand who seem to really dominate Asia. And it's something I would like to take a look more at. So give me suggestions. You guys, as ever, do call the shots. But thank you. If you're not yet subscribed, please do press subscribe right now. The button is there. So some more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. My blog is there. There's actually loads going on, especially style stuff. My podcast and my Instagram are up there. But I'll see you when I see you. It should be next Thursday. New video. Bye-bye.